Asimbingelele bafethu. Today first comment about double serious kakhulu ngithola. According to me yabo. Yazi today ngithe mangibusy ngifuna picture ka MT la ku Instagram yakhe. Ekseni. Dihlangana ne statement asireleasile lapha yana ku IG, you understand? Lapho ikhuluma khona about umfazi wakhe because bashadile, umama engane zakhe ukuthi kahle kahle since nje kukhona lamavu vibe between bona bowu2 uyamshaya, yamdisrespecta, yamchitela. Yayibo lonto le azafake the fact ukuthi he's messing around namagenge wakhe akudala or amagenge wakhe, yangithola lonto le. Yabona into sifazane sekifike kulozinga lelo bafethu kumele umyekele. Yayibo lonto and udinga usizo, not financial help. Yayibo lonto le. Mina MT mfethu if yakupha advice ngabe yami mfowethu. Yayibo lonto le. Miyekele phansi divorce mfethu. Asipromote bafisa divorce as Africans. You understand, as abantu abamnyama thina always promote ifamily, iunity. You understand? But umuntu esifazane mase efike kulozinga lelo uyamyekela. Uphume nje umuntu esifazane meke senjalo. Because umuntu esifazane mengasakuhloniphi esekushaya aphinde futhi akuchitele. Lokho sokuyabonisa ukuthi ayisekho future between nina ninonke. You understand? Because mazogcisa ubamba ibhaji uzogcina mase uyinhlekisa emphakathini. Dignity yakhe izowenza indoda. You understand? Anxiety, depression, you understand, focus, ama delays. Ziningi izinto zingenzeka mfethu ebomini bakho if umuntu esifazane obhedayo. Umuntu esifazane is to nurture, not to destroy. Immediately umuntu esifazane ezongena life yakho at destroy, that means it's not meant for you. You are forced that relationship. You forced that marriage. Yes, mayiqala mayimnandi umthanda, which is a good thing. Now abonise izindoda ukuthi unenhloso ezinhle ngaye and unezifiso ezinhle ngaye. Wamthatha wamnika idignity wamenza umfazi. And then ikusasa sekubuya yena jikela wena. So the best way ukuthi umkhiphe life yakho ufocus ebomini, because as a man into edingekayo ukuthi ube focus and ube ne peace in order ukwazi provide for ingane nomndeni. Ukwazi accomplish into ezinkulu ebomini. But if you distracted by umfazi wakhe endlini, there's no peace in the house. Akukho la uzakhona izindoda. And amachita mawayekeni lento busy forgive abantu esifazana abachitayo. As long umphathe kahle umuntu esifazana umnakekela, immediately ba stressful ebomini bakho, eba stress, break ipeace yakho phuma lapho because umuntu esifazana songo wakho bafethu. MT mfethu, I hope yangizwa ngabe yami.